Well, I'll make my speech short, because I know most of you are hungry like me. Last ministers, first I would like to thank the installing team. Lastly, Tony Simara, personal representative of the Supreme Grand Inspector General in San Francisco Valley of Scottish Rite, and the Assistant Grand Lecturer of Division 3 of the Grand Lodge of California as installing officer. Worshipful Brother Rufo Macalay Jr., Knight Commander Court of Honor, as the Master of Ceremonies, and illustrious Froilan Acosta Ancheta, my predecessor, past Venerable Master, 33rd degree, as the installing chaplain. Good evening to all. Let me begin in expressing my gratitude to my loving wife, Angie. Thank you for supporting me in my journey. You are my strength. To you all in the audience, thank you for coming to our installation to show your support. To all newly installed officers, thank you for accepting the responsibilities as officers of this body. My mission is to bring the old members back to active and to gain new members. I plan to have good events, like the good old times we had several years ago. How do we do this? Officers, let us collaborate in this endeavor. We must constantly communicate with the members. I cannot do this by myself, but with your support, we will be able to accomplish this goal. To all the officers of this valley, we must work as a team, and I'm very fond of acronym. Team for me means T together, E, we, and then A, achieve, and M, more. Together, we will achieve more. I will also use 3 letters during my term. They are the letter C, which stands for connect, communicate, and commitment. Connect, we must engage with the new and old members. How? Make a courtesy or social call to them. Send an email. We, as the officers of this valley, are the ambassadors to the Blue Lodge. I am sure that there are Scottish Rite members in your own Blue Lodge that needs to be informed. We can all make this happen. As I mentioned, let us work as a team. Communicate. A constant communication is a healthy thing to do in this organization to inform the members. Example for all the events. We have an upcoming dinner events like China Night, which is next month, Philippine Night, reception of the Grand Officers, picnic, and etc. And sooner we will have a free breakfast, which is I plan to do it sometime in March. This is for the members and family. These are the only few to mention. Of course, any suggestion from the officers will be taken into consideration. And finally, commitment. Again, to the officers of this valley, you accepted the title of your office. It means you are making a commitment to yourself and to this body. I am looking forward to collaborating with you in this endeavor for our success. Happy New Year to all, and I was going to say have a safe travel, but we haven't eaten our dinner, so have a good dinner. God bless.